Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a task template in Clickup. Task templates are a huge time saver when you're doing repeat work and want consistency across tasks. So, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard, where all your spaces, lists, and tasks are available. Now navigate to the space, folder, or list where you want to create your task template. Open an existing task or create a new task that already has the structure you want to reuse. This task will become the base for your template. Inside the task, set everything up the way you want. Add the task name, description, checklists, assignees, due dates, priorities, custom fields, and even attachments. Basically, configure it exactly how you'd want future tasks to look. Once the task is ready, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the task panel. From the drop-down, select Save as Template. Clickup will then prompt you to name your template. Give it a clear and descriptive name, so it's easy to find later. You can also choose which parts of the task should be included in the template. For example, you can decide whether to keep assignees, due dates, comments, or checklists. This flexibility helps you customize templates for different workflows. After saving, your task template will be available whenever you create a new task. To use it, click Add Task, choose Templates, and select the template you created. The new task will instantly load with all the predefined settings. Another helpful tip is organizing templates into categories. This makes it easier for teams to find the right template quickly, especially when you have multiple workflows running at the same time. And that's it. Creating task templates in Clickup is simple and incredibly effective for speeding up work and maintaining consistency. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more Clickup tutorials. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in